Okay, so in this module, we're going to be looking at billable expenses. So for example, if you incur expenses on behalf or costs on behalf of any of your clients and you want to bill those on easily, this is how you do it. So if you go to the company cog setting on the right and then accounts and settings, go down to expenses. And if you can see here, it says track expenses by item and customer. Sorry, expenses and items by customer, and then make expenses and items billable. Now you can track them by customer even if you're not going to make them billable, just for your own records, but for now we're going to put on both of those. And if you wanted to make a profit, if you wanted a markup on the expenses incurred, you can click here to do that, to have a default of markup. And here it says whether you want to track the income from billable expenses in a single account or multiple accounts. I'm just going to do single account. I would recommend it unless you have particular specialist advice on there. And I'm going to come out. So now if we do a supplier bill, I'm going to say for Andrew, so 1st of May, he defaults to marketing expenses, does Andrew. I put marketing for client event, £1,000, and that's the class. That's in a different module, but just got that on there. Now, if you see here, you can mark it as billable and then choose a customer. I'm going to choose Adwin Co. Okay, so I'm going to save and close there. And then next time I do an invoice for Adwin, you can see it comes up on here. Do I want to add the billable expense? Yes, I do. You can see it automatically comes up everything in here. I'm going to save and close. I'm just going to show you that again, and then we'll have a quick look at the profit and loss to show you what it looks like on there. So I'm going to go new bill. I'm going to do one for Brittany. About 100 professional fees. And I'm going to say she costs £500. Mark as billable. And that one I'm going to put to Benjamin. Save and close. Then new customer invoice. Pop Benjamin on. Automatically comes up there. And I can save and close. Just makes it a bit quicker and keeps it all together. So if you go into reporting and then go into profit and loss, as you can see here, it's got billable expenses income. I think there's 2 accounts. This must be an original account on the dummy account. These are the ones we've just done. You will only have one when you do it. And if you have chosen markup, it will be in there. And here is the billable expenses that you've got. So that is how you do it. And on the next module, we'll be looking at billable time if you have employees who you want to bill the client for.